Let's see how to remove picture background using pen tool in Photoshop. Subscribe to this channel, Prince Graphics, for more graphics works like this. So we are going to bring out our image first. So you need to click on open, and then you choose the image that you want to remove the background. So let's say I'm using this picture for this tutorial. I'm using this picture. So you need to click on this, the pen tool. Click on the pen tool, this one. Make sure it's the pen tool. So before you start cutting, make sure to zoom in the picture. Zoom the picture so that your cutting will look very nice. Zoom in the picture and start from where you want to start it. So let's say I want to start it here. So we need to cut them very well, nicely like this. You cut them nicely like this one. Please like and also subscribe to this channel as well, and share the video to friends. So you need to cut everything nicely. So you need to make your cutting look so nice. Okay, make your cut look so nice. Zoom in very well, then you cut. Please subscribe to this channel and also like the video and share the video to friends, okay. You need to cut everything nice. This one here, like this. More tutorials like this coming up on this channel, so please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel as well. So you can remove any picture that you want to remove the background. You can use any picture that you want to remove the background. Even if you want to use a different background, you need to do cutting first. You need to cut the picture first, so your work will look very nice. You need to cut it. Whether you want to use a picture or a background, or even if you want to use just a color as your background for that image, you need to cut the picture very well before you do anything else. So you need to cut it very nicely like this. If you have any issue or if you want to ask something, don't forget to drop your comment as well. Or if you need any help, just drop your comment as well. If you don't have the Photoshop but you want to download the Photoshop, I'll provide the link for you to download the Photoshop software for your PC, so you can use it for every tutorials. Thanks so much. Please subscribe to this channel as well. Subscribe to this channel and like the video. Like the video for me, okay? So do the cutting very well. Then you cut here and then very nicely like this. Now so if you want to undo something or delete something, you need to use Ctrl+Z to go back. So now we are finished. So you need to right click and then select make selection, and then the radius, set the radius to 1, and then you choose the move to here. Choose this one, move to, or you can use the shortcut key V to move the image. Then let me duplicate the image and then cut off this side. You need to click Ctrl+J to duplicate the image. Ctrl+J to duplicate the image, and then you choose the pen tool again, and then you cut here off. I don't need this part, so I need to cut this one too off here. Very nicely. Please like and also subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this one. Remove everything nicely. When done, then you do the same thing. Right click and then choose the radius as 1. Set the radius as 1, and then you click delete key. Click on delete key. Click the delete key. Then you come back to where you want to remove again, and then you use your pen to do it like this, and then make selection and the radius 1, and then you click on delete key again. Then you come back to here again. Very nicely like this. Subscribe to this channel and like the video and share to friends as well. Very nicely, and then you do the same thing, radius 1, and you hit on delete. Click on the delete key, and then you zoom it out. Okay, and then you choose the pen move to move the image. So as you can see, we have removed the background of this image, so we are going to see how to change use any different background. So you click on new, and then you choose your paper size. Select your paper. So let's say I want to use A3. I want to use A3 for this tutorial. And then you need to bring out that your image that you do the cutting. Drag and drop to your new document. Drag and drop nicely like this. You position it very well wherever you want to position it, and then you hit shift plus your mouse to and then you drag it to where you want to place your image like this, and then you change the background. So let's say I don't want white background. So you can use image. Image to as your background. You can use image as your background. So we are going to see how to do it. So I want to use a color. So you need to choose the color like this, the color that you want to use for your background. So let's say I want to use the this color. Let me use yellow, or I think this is okay. And then you hit on Control plus backspace. Make sure you select the background before you click on the Control plus backspace. So as you can see, I've changed the background to the yellow color that I just picked. So let's say I want to use a different color too, like this one. Do the same procedure, Control plus backspace to change the color. So I want to use, let's say you want to use an image for your background. You need to click on the file and then click on open, and then you choose the image that you want to use as your background. So let's say I want to use this image. Let me look for any image. I think this background is nice. Choose a nice background that you want to use. So let's say I want to use this one. Then you drag and drop the same background to your new work. Then you need to drag and drop in this very nice, and you okay. So let's say this is, let me add another. I think this one is okay. You make sure it fix all the edges, so like this. So this is how to change your picture background, how to remove your picture background. This is how to remove your picture background. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also like the video, share the video, drop your comment. If you are facing any issue, drop your comment. You can use any image. Yeah, you can use any image to remove the background. Once again, my name is Prince and you are welcome once again to this channel. Subscribe, like, share and drop your comment if you are facing any issue. Thanks so much and bye bye for now.